Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find this spiky hat on Dress to Impress. So you'll only have 1 week to claim this. You're going to go to open menu and go to teleport and select the one-time live event and join now and press yes. Then press yes again. I've already claimed it from the beginning, but if you haven't done that, it's in the middle and you're just going to press claim reward and you'll get the spiked hat. And that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.